In this chapter, we learnt about how times have changed and technology and gadgets have become an integral part of our lives. The world is slowly turning digital, with everyone having access to the latest gadgets, which has made our lives simpler and smarter. Now let us take a look at the DTH industry in India, which is a part of the digital advancement in our country and has made entertainment accessible to one and all. DTH stands for Direct to Home Television. The DTH technology enables a broadcasting company to directly beam the signal to our TV sets through a receiver installed in the house. There is no need for a separate cable connection. Why did DTH become so popular? DTH did away with the cable operators who gave us channels of their choice without an assurance of good quality or reception. The quality of signal in DTH is said to be superior since it is not split through cable. It can reach the remotest areas. With digital services like the DTH, knowledge and entertainment have become accessible to everyone. Can you think of any other technology that has made life simpler and access to information easier?